Yo, 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 what's up? This is Jeremy from JJ Innovation Garage in the Peach Capital of the state, baby. All right, boys and girls. Friday night, I got through clearing this thing. I untaped it on Saturday. Y'all seen the chisel where I had to take the whole plug thing off, but I appreciate you watching that far. So, I left the little box fan on running until today. So, all day Sunday night, all day Saturday, all day today. And I had the big door open, but the filters are still there, so nothing can't get in here. And I raised the side windows to let fresh air in, and I just circulated air to get the solvents out. And I went by the client and talked to him, and he's ecstatic. So if they're ecstatic, then I'm ecstatic. I'm all good. I'm all good. So I'm all good. So put the wheels and tires on. I just washed the dust off of them. I talked to him about some stuff. So now, book 'em, Dano. Are you looking? Are you watching? Build on a budget. Are you watching? Are you watching? Crisco's Body Shop. You watching? Big Fish. I just got it with him the other day. John from Buchanan's Auto Sale. Who else? Red Eye Patriot. Who else? Who else comments a lot? 301. You boys ready? Because I'm telling you right now, I know for a fact that I can drive this car. I know for a fact if I wanted to drive this car, he would. And I know Ray said that you can't call nobody out unless it's your car. But I'm telling you right now, boys and girls, I'm telling you right now, put the wheels on this thing. Just set it off like the song. Y'all boys and girls ready? Y'all ready? Bam! Woo! Y'all better stop playing. Y'all better stop playing. Oh my goodness. I told you boys and girls that clear would lay down. Now it's still got a little chunk in it. Now the fenders need to be adjusted a little bit, but I'm telling you right now, it's a little chunky, but that's okay. It's got 7 coats of clear on it. It has a gallon of vibrants. Bam! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Y'all better stop playing. Better stop playing. Look at that right there. You better stop, Jay. Now, it's got a little chunk in it, but that's okay. My feet got a little chunk in it too, but that's okay. But the main part is this thing is straight. I mean straight. I mean, it's got a little lean in it, but that's all right. You know why it's all right? Because it's got 7 coats of clear on it. It's got a damn gone gallon of vibrants on there. I mean, I got so much clear on there. Look, fellas, I got so excited. I got a little run right there, a little drippage. Or like Frank would say, gravitational slippage. That's okay. That's okay. It's okay. So he's got new tail lights. He's got a whole bunch of other stuff. But I had to put the wheels on this bad boy. And I want you to just look. Okay, I got this for you, built on a budget. Right here. Right here. Hold on. Let me get down a little bit lower. A little bit lower. A little bit lower. A little bit lower. Money shot. I believe this thing right here will give Novocaine a run for its money right here, boys and girls. I believe this thing right here might drag on Novocaine up the road. Look at there. Boom. I still got to do the whole front. Got to put the hood on it, the hood scoop. Ooh, you better stop playing with our emotions, Jay. But yeah, boys and girls, I appreciate you. It's all in fun. But this right here is a big weight lifted off my shoulders. It really is. And I'm thankful for everybody that joined in with this process. I'm working on getting a router in here in the booth. And you really want to put transparency in it. If I put a router in here, I got cable down here. I just don't have a router. If I put a router down here and then go live painting, that just pulls all the veil off. Every bit. I mean, That's the good, the bad, the ugly, the why is he doing that? Yeah, they ain't no editing like TV. It's all there. So one more time, boys and girls. Look at that right there. Now, these guys, it's got little narrows on the front. See them little narrows? My hand, from the end of my pinky to the end of my thumb is 9 inches. Okay. If you don't believe me, you'll lose some money. Those are 205 45 17s US mags. Now he's going to adjust the coilovers and he's going to bring it down and all that good stuff. The backs, now they ain't no Cooper Cobras. They're 295 35 18 BF Goodrich. And I want you to look at that right there, boys and girls. So I got a lot of cleaning. But I just want to show you boys and girls that. I appreciate you. Man, if you don't like that, I don't know what's wrong with you. So now, after it sets for a while, I have to come in here and I have to tape up a lot of this stuff and satin black it out. And you're probably going to say, well, Jay, why didn't you do that now? Well, you can't paint it black and then spray clear over it because it'd be shiny. So the belt trim down the side, I got to paint that satin black. These quarter glass pieces right here is black, satin black. This is black. This will be black. The mirrors are black. This piece here is black. The hood scoop's black. The front will be black. The wing dam at the bottom, because it's fiberglass, it comes all the way over here. It'll be black. The wing, it's got a big whale tail wing. It'll be black. The windows will be black. So exciting times. I appreciate you. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the share button, hit the like button. And like I said, this week, I'm just going to roll this bad boy out and let her bake in the sun, get some UV. And then I'm working on the true locks on the 70C10 and finish adjusting the tailgate, put the hood on it, get that squared away, and then see what the time frame is. I'm going to start digging out that seam sealer because I think it's like 58 days for this place that he wants to go to. I appreciate you, boys and girls. Remember what I said. Don't worry about the man up the road. Don't worry about the man down the road. Sweep off your own front porch while sweeping off anybody else's. Put God first, at least in drive. Peace, some chicken grease. I'm out.